Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot and welcome to today's video. Now before we get started, you need to switch your device to full screen. That is how you can have the best viewing pleasure. Now it's the wave 10 of Linea Voyage. This is the last voyage and congratulations to you if you made it to the very end from the very beginning. But before we get started, you are going to have to go through the account abstraction. That is just the introduction to Timeless Wallet, which we are going to be using for today's interaction. So tap on the first one just to go through all of the text here to get familiar with Timeless Wallet. Then once you are done, tap on mark as complete. Then go ahead and do the other one as well. Go through what is on the screen, tap on next. Now to download the Timeless Wallet, tap on click for more information, that blue button, and then it is going to take you to Timeless website. Now depending on the device that you are using, just tap on the appropriate logo. I use an Android, so I'm going to tap on the Google logo. For iOS users, you're going to tap on that Apple. It takes you to Play Store where you are going to download the Timeless app. So you're going to tap on install. Now the app is done installing, you're going to tap on open. Now in your best interest, when you download the Timeless Wallet and then you want to set up your account, do not create a new wallet and don't bother logging in with MetaMask. It is quite troublesome. So you're going to tap on import other wallet and then import your MetaMask address, your MetaMask seed phrase, the same address that is connected to Interact. That is the same one that you should import here. So once you are done importing, you're going to go back to Interact and then move on to the next step. Now I am back on Interact and then the next step here is to connect Timeless Wallet. So just tap on connect Timeless. Now choose Timeless from the available wallet options. Make sure that whatever transaction you are doing here, you are using Timeless. Do not use MetaMask at this point. So choose Timeless and then you are going to approve the connection in your Timeless wallet. So tap on connect. Now the connection is successful. You are going back to Interact. Now our core task, you are still going to sign the message again. Tap on sign message and then sign it in your Timeless wallet. Tap on sign again. Now go back to Interact. And our core task for the day is to swap at least $10 worth of ETH to any token. So we're going to tap on the core task. Tap on start. Now when you get here, you are going to see the list of tokens that you can interact with. I really want simplicity for this wave 10, so I'm going to be using USDC. You can see USDC is available here. I'm going to be using USD. So just tap on next, keep tapping on next. And then I wanted to cut off this part, but you might as well just watch it so that you can learn before doing your own. At first I wanted to choose PancakeSwap where I'm going to do my interaction. So I tapped on PancakeSwap. Then tap on continue and then tap on swap now. So when I got to PancakeSwap, I tapped on the connect button and then it brought the list of apps that are here, but then you can see that there is no Timeless Wallet, so I could not continue with PancakeSwap. I had to go back and then choose a different partner, and this time I chose SyncSwap. That's the logo of SyncSwap. So the point of me explaining this is that whatever partner that you want to choose, make sure that Timeless Wallet is enabled on their app. Make sure that you can be able to connect with Timeless Wallet, because if you connect and do the interactions with MetaMask, it is not going to count for you. So we are here on SyncSwap. you're going to tap on get started, and then you're going to tap on connect, wallet connect. I'm sorry if my voice is somehow, I have catarrh, so my nose is even dripping. I'm just managing to do this voiceover. So you're going to choose Timeless among the list of available wallets. You can see that Timeless is available on SyncSwap, and that is why I'm using SyncSwap. So tap on connect. Now what do we want to do? We want to swap some ETH for USDC. Like I said, I want simplicity, so I'm going to be swapping 0.0055 ETH into USDC. That gives us about $12, a little bit over $12 worth of USDC. And remember, the minimum amount we can swap is 10, so I am on the right track. Then tap on swap. And then you are going to confirm that inside your Timeless wallet, not your MetaMask. So tap on approve transaction. Transaction completed. Now let's go back. Now you can see that my transaction has been completed. My balance is now showing 12 USDC. Now we are going to go back to Interact, and then we are going to verify this task. So tap on start. Tap on next. Now choose SyncSwap as the partner that you used for your interaction. That's the logo of SyncSwap over there at the top right, and then tap on start verification. Check that checkbox over there and then tap on proceed. Now while that verification is processing, we are going to go over and then do the second task, the bonus task. You can choose to do either bonus task 1 or bonus task 2. You don't need to do the two of them. So I'll be going for bonus task 1. I'm going all in for simplicity this time. And then once you've checked through the list of tokens that you can interact with, then tap on next. Okay, so at this point I am still going to use SyncSwap for the bonus task. So tap on SyncSwap logo. Then tap on next, tap on continue rather, and then tap on go to app. Now I'll be going for the first liquidity pair, that's USDC ETH. So tap on that. Tap on switch to the deposit tab, and then what you want to do here is you see that toggle switch here. You're going to switch the toggle switch on, and you remember that I swapped into USDC, $12 USDC earlier. So the reason you are switching the toggle switch on is so that the system can automatically add the appropriate amount of ETH, so that my deposit can be up to $20. Now I have $12 USDC here. Then the system is going to add 0.005 for ETH as well, and then this is going to add together to make up $20. Then tap on deposit, and then you are going to confirm the deposit in your Timeless wallet. Tap on approve transaction. Now the transaction is successful. You can check your position. You can check the total amount of your position by going to the My Position tab. And then you can see my position details here. So I was able to deposit $24 worth of USDC and ETH into the liquidity pool, and that's all you need to do for the second task as well. Let's go back to Interact and then we are going to start the verification of the second task too. So tap on bonus task 1 and then tap on start. Tap on next, keep tapping on next. Then tap on SyncSwap logo, and because that is the partner that you used, tap on the logo and then tap on continue and then tap on start verification. Remember to check that tiny checkbox and then tap on proceed. So now the 2 verification is pending. I'm going to leave this page and then come back after 1 hour to see if it has been verified or not. So I am back 1 hour later and then the 2 tasks has been verified. I am now going to claim their XP, 150 XP for the core task and 90 XP for the second task, making 240 XP in total. So now you have successfully completed the 10 waves of the Linea Voyage. But then let's go back and withdraw our funds on SyncSwap. So I am back on SyncSwap. And then when you want to withdraw your funds this time, please pay attention. You are going to disconnect your Timeless wallet from SyncSwap. And then you are going to connect your MetaMask. You don't need to use Timeless again because you've already done your transaction. Then switch to the single tap and then switch to tap on ETH. Let the radio button be on ETH. And what this means is that you want to be able to withdraw all of your funds in ETH. Remember that we did 2 pair in USDC and ETH earlier. By tapping on ETH, that means you won't be doing swapping back and forth. Everything is going to come back in your wallet in the form of ETH. And then you are going to tap on confirm. And one of the benefits of withdrawing with MetaMask is that the gas fee is very low. At first, I tried to withdraw through Timeless wallet and then it says I did not have enough gas fee. I think it was going to cost me about $5, but transactions are always cheap on SyncSwap. When you use MetaMask with SyncSwap, and that is why I'm saying when you want to withdraw your funds, withdraw through MetaMask. Now let's go into my wallet and see how much that I have spent on today's task. If you saw my balance at the beginning of this video, I had $36 and now I have $24 left, which means overall I spent about $12 over gas fee. Now, if you want to do this week's task, that means you need to have at least $30 or let's say $33 to $36 in your wallet before starting this task. If you have any questions, drop me a comment in the comment section of this video, and if you have found value in any of my content, give me a like on this video and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in another tutorial.